Hello there, I am Chris Palmer with ChrisPalmerMarketing.com. We're actually an SEO agency based in Pennsylvania. So I am a business owner, and one of the most important factors in my business is time. So the creation of videos is massively important, right? I'm sure you're well aware. That's why you're watching this video. But one of the elements in creating videos is the editing of the videos, right? It's a massive time suck. So I've tried numerous different tools for editing the videos in the past. Previously I was utilizing Wondershare Filmora, but the export time, right? So the rendering time of the video, it would take forever. I'd have to wait an additional 20, 30 minutes, and I have an awesome computer. It would still take too much time. So I'd have to edit and then wait for it to render. So that wasn't going to work. The next element that I was utilizing was this Adobe Express, so express.adobe.com. It's free. And this tool is absolutely phenomenal for any video that's a gig or less, if you want to trim out the front of the video or trim out the end of the video. But taking out the silences and making jump cuts inside of the video, it just doesn't work. It's good for the beginning and the end, and the render time is fast. So I needed something for my business that was not only fast, but it would render and edit the videos quickly. I wouldn't have to wait additional time, and it would take care of all the work really, really quickly and save me time for my business. So one of the things that I landed on that works exceptionally well was a tool called WiseCut app. And WiseCut was phenomenal, don't get me wrong, but it was monthly, it was recurring, it was a cloud-based tool, and it would have to email you. There was a lot of in between I didn't like. So the last thing that I finally tried, which had the same concept, taking out the dead spaces, is a tool called TimeBolt. All right. And I want to let you know up front, there's no affiliate links. I'm not promoting this tool. I'm just sharing with you something that I utilize internally at Chris Palmer Marketing that works exceptionally well. It's not a monthly recurring fee. It works instantly. They're always updating it. And of course, the render time is it's so fast. This tool will save you so much time, effort, and energy, and it's lightning fast. The best part is it's a one-time fee, and it's actually pretty inexpensive. So I'll share with you just some of the really quick things here. So let me share with you how fast this is, really fast, all right? So you open up a file, all right? So I need to edit this video here. Here, I'll show you the file. Give me 1 second. This is one that I'm about to upload today for my SEO YouTube channel because I primarily focus on SEO. That's my business, right? So what we'll do is you grab the video. It'll fetch the video for you. It will load it right inside of here. So here, I had to get rid of the old one. You grab this video, you open it up, it puts it in here. Now it's stripping out the audio and it's doing it. This is how fast it is, right? So now you could literally leave this just how it is. This is out of the box. I didn't change anything, right? Right here now, done. It's going to strip out all of these all of this dead silence, right? But sometimes what you'll notice is as you go through, like you might not want to trim out some of the detection. So let me share with you how fast this is. So all I do is I pre-go through. Like see this? I don't want to trim this out, right? Because there's audio here. So all you do is you click right here, right? Like where you want to trim it. And then you click this button here and it'll make another line for you. And then you just click this. Now it's green. And then I just keep going, right? I'm just looking for times that it's chopped out content that it shouldn't have. So I'll click this button and then I'll just make this green. Look at this. All right. So I'm just looking for those types of places that it shouldn't have chopped out audio, but it did. Okay. So again, here, we'll go here, click this button, click this, right? Now, I just want to share with you how fast this is. I mean, literally within less than a minute, it will be edited and done and in a high definition. It is so fast. If there's any tool that I could give to you that would help your business or your video creation, TimeBolt is it. Again, there's no links anywhere on this page. This is not a promotional video. It's just something that has helped me, and I hope it helps you. My name is Chris Palmer with ChrisPalmerMarketing.com. If you need any assistance with SEO, that's something I could help you out with, or your website ranking on Google and other search engines. That's what I aim to help with. This is just a secondary video I just made to help out people like you. So I hope this helps. This is TimeBolt. You can check it out. It's been a while since I was on their site. Let me check it out. Time Bolt video editing. I have no idea what I paid for it. I forget, but it was the best money that I ever spent. Look at this. It's actually on. Here's Time Bolt. Break the fourth wall. So here's the pricing. Lifetime, $247. Best $200 you'll ever spend. I assure you of that. But anyway, this is the tool. I don't have a link. There's no affiliate. It is what it is. Do whatever you want. I hope this helps you out. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.